Hello everybody. My name is Tahir. I am Somali. I have been living in Somalia since I was child. My age is 35 years old, so I have enough time to study English grammar. My education is an English diploma. I have completed my English diploma for 2 months, for 2 years. My job is a teacher. I am English teacher. I always teach English grammar. English grammar is a very important to study English. English grammar consists of different parts such as verbs, adverb, adjective, and other things. I have taught English grammar for 6 months. I am happy to study English grammar because my salary is $300 by month. In the future, I will finish this English course. I will change this job to another job because work of teacher is a very difficult. Always is a busy. That is drive me problems to myself. Goodbye. Thanks to see you.